fixing and flipping houses is not easy. I'm gonna full disclosure. It is harder than working at your 9-to-5 job, but you do get paid a lot more as well. So when you're dealing with contractors and your investors, and there's so many people involved when it comes to fixing and flipping, managing it, so making sure the guys are showing up, the subcontractors are doing their job, right? Make sure the general contractor is paying their subs, right? How do you manage all that, right? I've done over 50. I've done, 10 fix and flip at one time. How can you do that without going crazy? One trick that I've done is we have social media, right? We have the power of the internet. We have a cell phone. Everybody's got a cell phone. So instead of me going to every single house and checking them out, making sure they show up, which is, I promise you, I did that in the beginning. Every single house, I was like, I gotta make sure my guy shows up. 7 o'clock, where are they? Getting all frustrated. And then they show up, and I gotta go to the next house, make sure they're there. And I gotta catch them, make sure they get back from lunch on time. And it was driving me nuts. I'm like, how can I do this a much easier way? And so, social media. So what I've done is you have social media, you have Facebook, you have all these social media accounts. What you can do is when you show up, what time you're supposed to be starting work, between 7 and 9, right? You show up and I tell them, hey, go Facebook Live on Monday and hold your phone up and go, all right, this is what we're going to work on today throughout the week, and this is how many guys I have showing up today, so I'll give you another check on Friday. And then throughout the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, they're sending me pictures and videos, and they're tagging my name along with their posts. Now I don't have to drive there. I can just sit at home and go, okay, that guy showed up, and if that guy hasn't checked in on the other property, I'm like, hey, where's your social media post? You haven't tagged me. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Well, send me a picture, because the pictures tells you what time they took it. Right? Is that pretty cool? That's how you can get pretty tricky with this, fixing and flipping houses, not losing your mind. But that's another way to track all your properties without losing your mind, going crazy. And of course, you want to scale, right? You don't want to do just one. One, make some profit, and then what? You're going to repeat or stack them up. And this is how you can do. And then you can eventually replace yourself, train a project manager, and you can go on the beach and show them the same system that you created. Is that making sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the A to Z process. So now let's